Today I'm going to be teaching you how to soften your natural hair. So this is our hair, and our hair is very hard at the moment. In fact, let me even try and brush it. Can you see?
My hair just pull it.
Yes. Try and back it, let's see. Yes. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, best channel in the world. Welcome back to a Phayte effect. So guys, for today's video, in fact this video has been highly requested by my subscribers and by my customers. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to soften your natural hair. As you can see, I have my small protective style over here that I did. My mom calls it Calabar hairstyle. A lot of people have told me that the reason they relax their hair or the reason they can't keep natural hair is because it is too hard, it is too strong. So in the studio today we have a very special guest. I'm going to be introducing her soon, and we're going to just be working on her hair, and I'm going to show you how hard her hair is and how it will be after 5 minutes. So if you know you're ready, let's go. Alright, so this is our beautiful model for today. Very say hi. So this is our hair, and our hair is very hard at the moment. In fact, let me even try and brush it. Can you see? Shebi is hard. Okay, so she washed her hair yesterday, but she didn't do any treatment on it. So yeah, let's go right now on her hair. What I like applying is this roux. It's called the Lob roux. So it is liquid, oil, butter, and that's it. Lob, liquid, oil, butter. So this is our liquid right now. Water. So we're just going to spray it all over the hair. I'm also going to put Mary's picture of how small her hair is, but let's get her. Should we get you a towel? Oh, don't have any towel right now, so we'll just have to go with this. So that's the thing. The first step is to spray your hair with water. Now this goes for all type of hair, whether it is your natural hair, whether it is your relaxed hair, dyed hair, colored hair, dreads, whatever. So the first thing is to spray the hair with water. I literally drench the hair with water, and after that massage it into the scalp. So when Mary started with me, before I started treating her natural hair, in fact then the back of her hair was not even she didn't even have any back hair at all. But then since she started using our Phayte Effects hair oil, everything just came into place. So now we are still on our liquid. Remember I said liquid, oil, and butter. So now this is the liquid. I know TCB did not give me any advert, but this is literally what I use on my hair. So I use this my TCB leave-in conditioner. So if you have any conditioner, leave-in conditioner, you can use it on your hair. So now I'm doing this basically because our hair is very short, but if your hair is long, you can do your hair in 4 sessions. My subscribers already know this. You do your hair in 4 sessions before applying this roll on it, so that it can get everywhere. Another thing is you don't want to mize the product, and you don't want to overuse the product, because if you overuse your leave-in conditioner, it can cause build-up. So basically, you can even feel it right now, so if it's already getting soft. So the reason I use this TCB conditioner is because it has shea butter in it and it has coconut oil. But our Phayte Effects oil, we have pure coconut oil that we can use. Okay, so now we are done with the liquid. We have used water and we have used liquid on it. Sorry, water and our leave-in conditioner on it. Okay, so the next step is to go in with our oils. As you can see, I actually have 3 oils: moringa and ginger, your 3-in-1 hair booster, sorry, my hand is, I'm going to put it on the screen, and our pure coconut oil, as you can see. So I'm going to be using these two oils to be treating her natural hair today. As you can see, these three, the one hair booster, it has fenugreek, cloves, and rosemary in it. That's what I use, and this is our purely extracted coconut oil. So the applicator bottle makes it very, very easy to apply on the hair, but for me, I'm just going to put it like this on it. After we're done with it, I'm still going to apply it directly to our scalp, but right now I just want to use it to massage it into her scalp. Another thing that I always tell my Phayte Effects family is when you are applying your oils or any product on your hair, make sure you're applying it to the scalp and not just the hair, because your hair is going to grow from your scalp, and if you just apply it only on the surface, you know, you're rubbing the oil on your surface, it will not, or it will just lead to slow growth of your hair. So you want to make sure that you apply it on the scalp. You still apply it on the hair, but apply it on the scalp. So we're still working on Mary's edges. She has not been very, very consistent with the oil, so we're still working on her edges. And don't worry, I'll bring her here again so that she can come and testify about how the oil has grown her edges. But when she came, her edges were even worse than it is right now. So it's just to massage it into the scalp. So we're done with the 3-in-1 booster, and now I'm going in with the coconut oil. The reason I love this coconut oil is that, guys, it softens the hair. So if you have coconut oil at home, please make sure you put it on your hair, massage it on your hair. It actually grows your natural hair very, very well. So massaging it, and I don't know if it's only me, but I love coconut oil, guys. I cannot even start. Next on our list, as I said, the Lobro. So we've done liquid, we've done oil, we've massaged it very, very well. This is very, very crucial. You want to make sure you massage everything into your scalp. And the next one is butter. So if you have shea butter, you use shea butter, but I don't have shea butter today, so I'm just going to be going, let me open it. I'm just going to be going with my hair cream, you know, because it's a form of butter, it's kind of solid. So I'm going with my hair cream. This my hair cream has coconut oil and it has menthol in it. So now, as you can see, I'm just putting the butter, bend your head, just putting the butter to just sealing everything that I've put in it, and I'm massaging it into the scalp. As I said, my hair cream has menthol, so if she has any dandruff or anything on the hair, she has been using this hair cream for a while, so there is no way she can even have all those dandruff or all those hair issues because of that menthol. And as I said, it has coconut oil. So my leave-in conditioner has coconut oil. I added our own Phayte Effects coconut oil in it, and then also added the hair cream, which still has coconut oil. So whatever product you are getting, you want to make sure that you have natural products in it, and it's not just chemicals. That's one thing that I always promote on my channel. Try and avoid chemicals, and embrace natural products. Even our 3-in-1 hair oil is everything natural. There is no single chemical in it. It is just like a herbal infusion and that. So right now what I'm doing is I'm just sectioning her hair. Before, I wasn't able to section her hair like this, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want to try and comb it now. So sectioning the hair just makes it very easy for me instead of just trying to comb it all at once. So I'm sectioning the hair into 4 places, and I'm actually happy now that our hair can even be sectioned into 4, because before it could not. Now that I've sectioned our hair into 4, so we're going to try and comb it. So this is the brush I'm using. This is our natural hair brush. is also available in case if you guys want. So this is it. You can see all the comb, you can see the mouth of the brush. So it is very very easy, and when you use it to detangle your natural hair, it makes it, let me show you, like there's little to no breakage when you use it than when you use like a small comb on your hair. And if you notice again, as I am trying to comb her hair, I am holding it. So instead of just combing the hair like this, it will be painful to her. You hold the hair like you're holding the roots. You don't want to stress the scalp, and you're combing the tip of the hair. So when you know the right things to use on your natural hair, so immediately I'm done anyway, I'll just still twist it or just do something so that all the moisture can come in. So even when you're doing yours, you want to make sure that as you are putting all your products in it, you will still twist it or plait it, just like the way mine is. So as you can see, her hair is very soft. Come closer. No, not too much. Her hair is very 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 soft. Okay, so we have successfully finished treating, detangling all the ends. So right now guys, this is our hair. It is very very soft. As you can see, soft, it is bouncy, it is growing, and it is healthy. She just started focusing on the hair, I think 3 months ago. So very soon we will see how her edges will come out. At least we've put the Phayte effects oil on it. And guys, this is what it looks like right now. This is what it looks like. It's very very soft. So now, and see her hair. If you want to straighten the hair, you can see where the hair will be reaching her. Her hair has now actually grown after using the Phayte effects oil on her hair and taking care of her hair properly. So yeah, actually this is the easiest way to soften your natural hair. In case if it becomes dry again, you can just spray it with water. It is just very very easy, simple. Make sure you share this video to your friends and to your family so that they don't say that treating natural hair or maintaining natural hair is difficult. So as you can see, very very soft guys. So maybe tell them bye bye. Back the room. See, oh, it's like so cool. And then the back that did not have hair, as you can see, there's hair now.
My hair just
Yes, try and back it, let's see. Yes, let's see the back of your hair. Damn, it's long now.
much of more it can like
Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. I literally just wanted to come and show you guys how to soften your natural hair. So I don't want to hear again that your natural hair is not maintainable or it is very very difficult to comb. You can just use these few steps and you are fine, you are good to go. So I will see you guys next time on my next YouTube video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and your family. It could literally help somebody. Even if you don't need it, it could help somebody today. I love you guys, and I will see you next time on my next YouTube video. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not. I love you. Bye guys.